Yo, what's up? Karkarot, flipcity.ph. Kung di ka pa naka-follow, follow mo na Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, especially YouTube. Subscribe and hit that bell button. Yeah, today, isang special episode dahil bihira tayong makakap ng malupit na pair. Ito na ang araw after 3 years. Sobrang tagal nating pumapalpak sa mga sneaker raffles. So yeah, today nasa Crossing Cafe tayo by Coffee Project dito sa Las Piñas, and we'll be unboxing the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Canaries. First off the box, milky brown box with the Nike logo with chocolate colorway all around. Typical Nike box design but with different colors of milk, chocolate, and a white background. Here's the size tag. You'll see it. It's 10.5 because it's a women's release. Size 9 on men's. And let's get to it. When you open the box, you'll see a pink wax paper with Travis Scott's logo and Cactus Jack. There's a close-up. Nike Air logo, and then the Air Jordan Wing logo. Then there's another wax paper. And then you'll see the pair. Boom. Boom. Bright yellow, almost nubuck material. The front, side, and back as the outer facade of the Jordan 1 Low with the blue reversed Nike check. The side, and then the normal Nike check on the inner part of the shoe. In the rear, you'll see the Air Jordan Wing logo in white patch. On the toe box, you'll see a close to slate gray toe box in a yellow nubuck mudguard. Look at that. Premium material. Premium leather. Toe box, then the outer facade. Red Cactus Jack logo on the side. On the tongue, you'll see a yellow background with a patched Nike Air logo in black and red stitched on the upper tongue. A Cactus Jack logo in slate gray and blue Cactus Jack logo. The inside, merong shoe tree na typical sa Jordan Lows. Tatlong lace pala to. Holy. Oh. Meron pang blue. Oh, meron pang blue laces. Hindi ako aware sa blue laces. Akala ko yellow and red lang. Kompleto na ang Pilipinas. Colorway. Shout out Philippines. The midsole is also slate gray with the gum outsole. Very, very great idea for this pair. It's just playful. Very different sa mga nilabas ni Travis Scott, since yung mga sapatos ni Travis Scott is mostly earth colored colorways because that's his signature look, but this one has more of a story on it. Mocha wrap for you guys, coming from the colorway of City, Texas of Travis Scott, second alma mater niya. And then it comes with 3 laces, yellow, which is this one, then the blue laces, which is these ones, and then the red laces, which is on the other pair. Super cool colorway. Also supposed to be Philippine national flag. Could be an Independence Day shoe for all the Filipinos out there like me. I like this pair a lot. It shouts more of an attention. So pag sinuot mo siya, siguradong makikita siya ng mga tao. It's a conversation starter. Aside from that, one of the most hated pair din to ng taon, 2024, because of its colorway. But I think it's the best one yet. Since ito yung unang Jordan Low na may kalakip na storya sa personal life ni Travis Scott. Since the first released shoes didn't really have any story in it, just because of the hype. Kaya napakaganda nung pricing ngayon because it's the first releases of the Travis Scott series. Also, aside from the news na mawawala na daw ng Travis Scott collabs, then nilabas nila ito after a few months before it. This one is the most eye-catching sa mga bagong release, the olives and then the phantoms. So yeah, I like this better from the two. This shouts more premium and more worth for your buck para sa akin. Tsaka mas playful yung dating niya na masarap siyang pag-eksperimentohan aside from the other shoes with the first colorway na very neutral. So yeah, I think I like this better. Hit me up in the comments kung hindi nyo trip to or trip nyo to. Pag-usapan natin yan. Plus I like the innovation on the gum outsole on this part. Since I think it's the first Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low with the gum outsole. Tapos blended nila sa yellow. Ganda ng dating. Mukha siyang skate shoes. Pero may kita natin sa ibang mga celebrities na pinorma nila with other casual outfits and then even formal outfits kasi nga in na yung mga sneakers to blend with formal outfits. So yeah, I can see myself rocking this one, especially with this jeans. It looks good on jeans. Patok na patok. Kahit mag-layer ka ng top part mo, ito pa rin yung lilitaw. So I like this. Also makita niyo yung insole niya. Kaiba yung logos niya. Both with yellow canaries background, but with different logos of Travis Scott and blue Nike Air, and then the Cactus Jack logo, and then even the Air Jordan Jumpman logo. Napakaganda. In the rear part, makikita nyo rin pala na magkaiba yung logos niya. Cactus Jack, and then the Air Jordan Wing logo patch in silver. Cool one. I think it's better, especially sa 2024 na mas popping yung dip na colorways. The Earth colorways are left in like the 2022-2023 years. There's news din na may mga bagong Jordan Low colors na darating with the paint and even Neapolitan looks. Hindi ko nakikitang bababa yung hype or yung price ng mga sapatos niya. Sa ngayon, mababa yung presyo ng resale market ng Jordan 1 Canary. Pero sa tingin ko, tataas to in due time. And it doesn't look simple. Mukha siyang pinag-isipan ng matagal bago siya inirelease. So I appreciate the effort. Shout out to Crossing. Delicious Mocha Frap. Nakuha ko tong sapatos na to on its SRP price. Nakahit tayo sa sneakers app for only 8,395 pesos. Ayan yung resale market ng 10.5W or ng 9 men's. Looking to see that go higher. As a reseller, tinaasan ko yung presyo ko for this one kasi I'm not looking to sell this on a low. So sa mga buyers dyan, take advantage of the low price ng mga nagbibenta for a quick flip. I suggest na kunin nyo na to ngayon while it's on its low price. May kita naman natin na it goes double and then triple in the next 2 to 3 years. So yeah, it's a good investment and a good collection piece. It may be a good personal rocking pair. Great pair. Sa graduation itong 2024 ng Missouri, Texas. Namigay din si Travis Scott ng libreng Jordan 1 Low Canary. Sight to see sa sneakerhead industry. Sa lahat ng mga nakakuha ng Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Canaries, katulad ko na first time makakuha ng Heat pair sa sneakers app. What are you gonna do with your pair? Kasi on my part, it's a dilemma. I'm contemplating kung ibebenta ko agad or I'm gonna wait for it to rise in the next 2 years, or if I'm gonna use it for a personal matter. Dahil gusto ko tong sapatos na to, sobrang torn ako. Should I give it to you guys as a raffle for like 500 likes and 500 subscribers? Let me know kung ano sa tingin nyo yung gagawin ko. Again, Karkarot, Carl Singson, flipcity.ph. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Bye-bye.